Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2013 Toyota 86 GT, stock reference number 5404. The shape runs from the 4th month 2012 through to the 9th month 2016. It has an FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand fog light, right bumper flasher, right guard flasher, left fog light, left bumper flasher and left guard flasher, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has 4 small dents and light wobbles, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left hand tail light, boot lid appears to have no damage, tidy rear bumper cover, park sensor type, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has 5 small dents and light wobbles, right power door mirror and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black and red cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, right sun visor and the instrument cluster.